Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Janika. I am a dental surgeon working as a dentist in Gurgaon since 2 years. Here, this is my first YouTube video and I welcome you all. I am going to start my own YouTube channel related to dentistry. In this first video, I am going to talk about brushing and its 3 basic points that you all should know. First, why is it so important? Second, what is 2x2 rule? And third, what is the basic correct procedure of brushing? Because most of you are brushing but you are not brushing properly. I know it. So let's start. In first point, why is it so important to brush? In this section, we are going to talk about 3 basic things. We have to brush to remove all the plaque accumulation. We have to brush to prevent all the systemic problems that may cause through your oral hygiene. And you have to brush to get rid of your bad breath. First, why is it so important to brush to remove all the plaque accumulation? Plaque is basically accumulation of your food particles and bacteria that will stay there on your tooth surface, and it will be so hard to remove it through your normal brushing technique if it becomes hard. And if it becomes harder, then it will cause tooth decay and gingivitis and gum related problems, and then you will go to your dentist and you will ask that why is it coming there, because I'm brushing properly, but still you will have all the toothache. So just to prevent that plaque accumulation, you have to brush. What is the second point? You have to prevent all the systemic diseases through your oral hygiene, because if you're not going to brush, all the bacteria that stays in your mouth will eventually go to your bloodstreams. It may cause blood vessel blockage and even heart attack. So to prevent it, you have to brush daily. What is the third point? You have to brush to get rid all the bad breath that is there in the mouth. If you're not going to brush, you must have experienced it yourself also. So these are the basic things in this point. You have to brush to prevent plaque accumulation. You have to brush to prevent all systemic diseases. You have to brush to keep your friends nearer to you, so that you will have a healthy, bright teeth with all the good smile and smell. So what is the second point? That is 2x2 rule. What do I mean by 2x2 rule? ADA recommends 2x2 rule. ADA is American Dental Association that recommends that you have to brush for 2 times, at least 2 times, for 2 minutes a day. Yes, in the morning and at night. What do I mean by in the morning and at night? You have to brush in the morning before going outside or stepping outside, and even if you are in the home and you're quarantining yourself and you're being safe at your home, still you have to brush to keep all the gum problem or tooth decay in the lockdown away. So in the morning you have to brush for your coming 20 hours of the day, and in the night you have to brush to keep your oral hygiene clean for the next 8 to 10 hours that you're going to sleep. So this was the second point. What is the third point? What is the basic procedure of brushing? Because many of you are actually brushing incorrectly. You're brushing in to and fro motion. That is basically incorrect. You have to brush with a stroke, and you have to keep your brush with your tooth surface at 45 degree here at 45 degree, and then you have to give all the strokes. Pull strokes, yeah, you have to give pull strokes so that all the food particles stuck in your mouth will come out, and you have to divide your mouth in 4 sections: left, right, upper, lower. Here, first, second, third, fourth, and then you have to give at least 30 seconds to each quadrant. That comprises of 2 minutes. Plus, in those 30 seconds, you have to clean the outer surface and the inner surface as well, because many of you are actually forgetting all the inner surface, and that is causing a lot of problems in coming future. So please remember that you have to clean inside surface also. That comprises all the 3 points. Please let me know if you want me to make any other video regarding brushing or dental related problems.